Do you want to make your own fidget spinner?
It's really cool and easy.
First, I'm going to show you how to make this one. You will need 4 bearings and some hot glue. Here to put the bearings together into the shape of a fidget spinner. Using the hot glue, you can glue them together. If you have an extra bearing, you can use it for spacing the bearings. Now your fidget spinner is ready. We can make another fidget spinner like this. For this you will need 3 bearings and hot glue. Now you can start hot gluing them together. Now your second fidget spinner is ready. Next I'm going to show you how to make a Lego fidget spinner. First, take the 2x4 blocks and make a shape like this. Then take the smooth blocks and start attaching them together. Now take the pin and attach one of the circular pieces onto it. Then put the pin through the fidget spinner and put the other circular piece onto the pin, onto the other side. Then there you go, your Lego fidget spinner. Next we're going to show you a very easy fidget spinner. One of the 2x2 blocks and take the pin and put the pin inside the hole under the 2x2 block and stick it inside the hole like that and do the same thing for the other 2x2 block. Then there, the easiest fidget spinner in the world. Also make a fidget spinner by attaching 2 circular pieces onto a bearing, like this. I've used 2 wooden wheels from my toy car. If you like this channel, please subscribe.